Making isn't what you do, it's part of who you are. At Craftsy, we understand that handmade means more. Whether you're just getting started with a craft or looking to advance your skills, our world-class instruction is here to help. From quilting and sewing to knitting and crochet, from baking to cooking, cake decorating, and more, Craftsy's instructors guide and encourage you, empowering you to take your ideas from thought to action. With step-by-step video instruction, downloadable patterns and recipes, Craftsy is the place for creative connection with other like-minded makers. Whether you're looking for a new project or a specific technique, an advanced challenge or a "hey, I'm just getting started" kind of class, you'll find the instruction you need to turn ideas into projects you can be proud of. Welcome to Craftsy.